Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So here I am today to talk about my favorite products of 2020. 2020 was definitely not a regular year, right? It was a very sensitive year. It was a year that got us kind of out of our regular routines. And when it comes to beauty, I feel like a lot of people changed their routines and a lot of people got to, find new products as well and got to love products that maybe they didn't use so much. That happened to me. I feel like my favorite products of this year are a bit different from what it was last year, like my priority products. So yeah, this video was very requested, and I also want to know what your favorite product of the year was, your favorite products of the year was. This video was very requested, so here I am to talk about my favorite beauty products of 2020. I'm gonna touch on skincare, makeup, hair, and body, okay? So let's get to it. The top I'm wearing is CCC Camila Coelho collection. I styled it in different ways. It's a little cropped cardigan. And I have jeans on, okay? So let's get to it. I'm gonna start with skincare. I'm just gonna start where, skincare, then makeup. Oh! My camera just fell. Sorry, one sec, I'll be right back. All right, I am back. So let's start with skincare. And I'm kind of going to start in the order of how I use products as well. So I have 3 skincare products. As you guys know, I'm a skincare junkie. I love skincare so much. I'm really careful with, what I put on my skin every morning and every night. And some of my skincare products you guys probably already know about. It was definitely hard for me to pick like my favorite skincare. So that's why I have 3. Because there is a few that I love and I'm obsessed with and I use all the time. So let's get to it, okay? So first skincare product will be my night serum. I have like 3 favorite night serums, but this one I consider was my favorite of the year. Wow, big responsibility to choose a serum because I'm very picky about serums, and when I love a serum, I really love it, and it's hard for me to like even pick one. I have like my top 3 favorites, but this one I consider was my favorite of 2020 because it was the one that I used the most. It's the SkinCeuticals Resveratrol BE. It's an antioxidant night concentrate serum, and it looks like that. I actually have run out of this product 2 times. This is my 3rd bottle, and it is so good for my skin. I feel like this product, it really like hydrates my skin, but because it's filled with antioxidants, like this product is filled with antioxidants, it really calms my skin down. It makes it feel really amazing. Like I feel like it helps overall. Like it really calms my skin down. If my skin is irritated or if it's too dry, like I went to Arizona this year and my skin was so freaking dry. This really helps overall. So it was my number 1 serum of the year. Ooh, the award goes to SkinCeuticals Resveratrol BE, okay? And this product, I actually got to know it last year. It was recommended by a dermatologist here from LA, and I started using it. I got so obsessed with it and I never stopped using it. I mean, I do change my serums here and there. I kind of like to switch them sometimes depending on how my skin is feeling, but this one I pretty much use it year round. So the main things, I know you guys are gonna ask, the main things about this serum, why do I love it so much? Besides everything that I just said, it improves the appearance of your skin's radiance, firmness, and density, okay? Those are the main things I feel like this product does for me. So the formula here is clear, which I love. It has a little bit of color in it, but it's more clear, very lightweight. I mean, I'm gonna put it on my hand so you can see how amazing it looks on. It's such a perfect serum, and I love that it's not like too like heavy oil, because I can also put my beauty oil on top of it. So I love this serum so much. And next product is the Elaluz Beauty Oil. I mean, this is my brand. I know it's very easy for you to talk about your own brand. Like I created this product, so I should love it, right? Of course. There were so many back and forth testing this product, approving this product, but and it's really hard for me. A lot of people ask, what is your favorite Elaluz product? Like, it's almost like picking your favorite child, right? It's hard, but I would say the Aloe Beauty Oil is my number one product for my brand, and it's been, you know, one of my favorite products this year. I started using this actually last year when we finalized the formula. And the reason why I love this product so much, number one, it has a clean formula. It's EWG verified, so it's good for my skin, okay? All the rich Brazilian ingredients in here are good for my skin. It hydrates my skin. It makes it look glowy and radiant. And it works perfectly before makeup. So I always put this on in the morning before my foundation or concealer or anything I'm putting on my skin. There's so many beauty oils out there that I actually own and have, but you know, I wanted to design one that was truly amazing before makeup, that, you know, actually improved the look of your makeup and not make your skin look oily or your makeup is like running off. So it's perfect to help your foundation blend. It looks amazing. It's a perfect, I would almost say like a perfect primer before your makeup, okay? So it's the Aloe Beauty Oil, and the packaging looks like that. I've gone through so many of these already. I've been using for so long. Okay, next skincare product is also by SkinCeuticals. I love this brand so much. You guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, like, you know my skincare routine. I've been obsessed with SkinCeuticals for so long, since I started going to dermatologists. Like, they all my different I've had a few dermatologists and all of them recommend me SkinCeuticals. So I love the brand for so many years. And another favorite of the year would be the neck cream from SkinCeuticals, which is called the Tripeptide R Neck Repair Cream. And the reason I love this is because, and the reason I have this on my 2020 favorite products is because I have used it pretty much every day this year, okay? A neck cream was a product that I always knew was important to use. I always knew that, you know, I should put neck cream on because it's gonna prevent, you know, later on, like, aging my neck. Our neck is like one of the first things that starts aging in our body, okay? Is our neck area. So we don't wanna see the wrinkles early on. They're gonna come, but I don't wanna see them anytime soon. So I always knew it was important to use neck cream, but I will always forget. Like, I will do my whole skincare routine and I'll always forget about the neck cream. So this year, with quarantine, staying more home, I got used to putting my neck cream on. And I love this one by SkinCeuticals because it's a fortifying high performance correction treatment for one of the most challenging areas to treat, which is the neck, like I said before. So it targets visible neck aging, so like these, you know, lines that we see on your neck, and it helps firming and defining the neck appearance. So it really like helps to your neck and the skin of your neck to be more firm and look more firm, okay? So what I do is apply 1 to 2 pumps every other night. I'm even gonna apply right now because, you know, there's never enough. I'm applying it tonight. I just wanted to show you. Every other night. Sometimes I apply it every night, okay? I got really used to it, but because it's a treatment, you should apply it every other night. Super lightweight, it's not sticky. You know, I hate products that are like sticky and too heavy, so I love this neck cream. If you guys don't use neck creams yet, start using it. You're gonna thank me later, okay? So this was my last skincare product, and before I move on to makeup, I just wanna announce quickly, SkinCeuticals, now for the holiday seasons, they always have holiday kits, which you end up getting, you know, the product for a better price. They have it at both like doctors' locations and also at their website, SkinCeuticals.com, okay? So if you are interested in good skincare, go check it out to get a good deal. So now moving on to makeup, I will start with foundation. You guys know I'm a foundation lover. I'm very picky about my foundations. And I don't know if this one was my favorite of last year. Maybe it was. But it's definitely been my favorite of this year because it's a very lightweight foundation. It feels very light on the skin, but it has good coverage. And it's really hard to find, you know, a foundation that is gonna give you coverage, but it feels lightweight and it looks lightweight. So, and it looks like skin. So my favorite foundation of 2020 would be the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I've also run out of like a few bottles of this. I recently just got new shades and it's already like halfway there. I literally use it like on my everyday, okay? Because it's so lightweight and I can build it up too. So this is my favorite one. And my color, I usually like to mix colors, 6.25 and 8.25 or 8.0. Okay, so favorite foundation of the year for me will be Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. And then another favorite product of 2020 for me will definitely be, and as you guys probably already know, because I always use this in my videos, the Givenchy Teint Couture Healthy Glow Bronzer, okay? The reason I love this bronzer, I talk about it all the time, but it's because it's a bronzer that it's powder, but it almost feels like cream. It's so rich, this product, and it's very, the consistency too, like you can put, I feel like I can put so much on and it's not gonna look heavy because it's such a fine, beautiful formula, okay? And it does have a little bit of sheen to it. I don't like shiny bronzers, glittery bronzers, but this one is like the perfect mix. So I love this bronzer so much, super easy to blend, and it's by Givenchy, okay? Next product that I'm obsessed with, I'm gonna talk about two lip products. One is my Ella Luz lip and cheek stain. You guys have seen me use this so much throughout the year, especially when quarantine started. I was barely wearing makeup, and this was like my go-to, and it's still my go-to under makeup, on top of makeup. It's a very versatile product, so it stains my lips and my cheeks. It gives me the perfect flush. I feel like, you know, when I want that fresh face, I can just put a little bit of concealer, this on, and I'm ready to go. So the Ella Luz lip and cheek stain, it has like this great jelly formula. I'm almost done with this one, but it has this great jelly formula. It's the perfect shade of red, so it will go perfectly with all skin tones. And it's also a clean formula, okay? So I use it on my lips and my cheeks for like a healthy glow flush. I'm actually gonna put a little bit on right now so you can see. I'm running out of this one. I've also gone through a few of these this year. Wait, the brush. I need to find the brush. It can't dry. I think I got it. So you just blend it with the brush. And you get like that. I already had blush on, but I always have this under my makeup too. Before I put a foundation on, I a lot of times put it on. It's so pretty. Okay. So Ella Luz lip and cheek stain. And the next lip product that is a favorite of the year is the Patrick Ta lip liner, and She's Strong, which is the one that I'm wearing now with like a gloss on top. I love his lip liners so much because they're very pigmented, and I love how thick it is too, so it's super easy to line your lips, and I love this color so much. I use this color, like I line my lips with this when I'm doing pretty much all shades of lipsticks. So this is like my go-to for everyday especially, okay? She's Strong by Patrick Ta. Last one for makeup, I chose a mascara that I used so much this year. It was the one that I have many mascaras, you guys, but this one was the one I used the most this year. It's the Pat McGrath Dark Star Mascara. And the reason I love this is because I'm actually using it now. It's because it's super, super black. And it gives me volume, it gives me length, okay? Especially when I'm doing my under lashes, it's so perfect. The packaging looks like that, gold and beautiful. I love all of Pat's products. She's amazing. I love her brand. But this mascara, yeah, it was my favorite mascara of 2020. It's also hard to pick a favorite mascara. I have a few that I love. Now moving on to hair. As you guys know, I'm very picky about hair as well. I love hydrating my hair. I feel like hydrating your hair benefits in so many ways. Like hair grows healthier, it grows faster. I feel like when I take care of my hair, I can do all, you know, the hot tools and products and not worry about my hair looking dry or bad. So I always want to make sure that my hair looks shiny. I mean, my hair right now is not a good example because I have it up, but I always do hair masks. And my favorite hair mask of 2020, I feel like always my favorite hair masks are from Kerastase, But this year, the one I used the most was this with the black packaging. I used the one a lot with the red and pink packaging, but this one was a new one this year that I started using, and I love it. It's called the Chronologiste mask. It's an intense mask, and it's so good for my hair. I put it on like maybe once or twice a week, and my hair just looks, you know, feels super soft. It looks shinier, and you know, it just helps my hair grow healthier. So Kerasta's hair mask. And then my next hair product favorite of the year is my Elaluz texturizing finishing spray. I cannot live without a texturizing spray. As you guys know, my hair is naturally straight and it's super fine, like very thin. So for me to get volume, or for even like my wave, my curls to stay, I need texturizing spray. So I put texturizing spray in any occasion, any hair do that I'm doing. If it's curly, if it's straight, I always have texturizing spray on. So definitely my favorite of the year was the Elaluz one, which I created and I developed. I love this product so much because it gives you texture, it gives you volume, but touchable texture. You know, you can still touch your hair and it still feels shiny and still feels bouncy, because some texturizing sprays, you know, they are heavy and they make your hair kind of like, how can I say it, kind of dry. So yeah, this was definitely one of my favorite 2020 products, my Elaluz texturizing spray. Okay, and then last product, I'm gonna finish this video because I cannot stop talking. I tried to make it shorter and just like really concentrate on products that I really loved and used this year. So last product is my Way body scrub, and this is the only body product I'm showing. I mean, this product is so freaking good, you guys. Look, I don't even know how many bottles. Ikaru also, my husband, is obsessed with it. This is like the last bottle. I need to buy a new one. Way, I need a new one. It's number one, the smell. It's just, it smells like heaven. It's a scalp and body scrub. I never really use it, I'm gonna be honest with you. I never really use it on my scalp, but I use it all over my body. I love to do self tanners, and like, especially summertime too, if I'm tanning naturally. Scrubbing your body is so important for your tan to last longer, or if you're doing self tanner for, you know, and to hydrate your skin and to avoid stretch marks and all of that. So the body scrub that hydrates your skin is so good, so important. And this one has CBD in it, which like calms your skin down as well. So I love it so much, as you can see. So that is definitely on my list of favorites, because you know, this year I also got to take care of myself more, do more like home spa days because I didn't travel so much. So I use this so much, like even, you know, after a bath or during a bath, I scrub my whole skin. So I love this. Okay, so these are my favorite products of 2020. Let me know in the comments, what are your favorite products? What have been your favorite products this year and why? Okay, I would love to know. So thank you for watching. I will leave the list of all the products down below in the description, and I hope you guys have an amazing end of the year. Wishing you the best. I don't know if I'll see you guys again here. I am gonna spend it with my family. I really need to be close to them, and I'm really happy I'm going to be spending, you know, end of year and the holidays with my family. I hope that you guys spend it with loved ones as well. And thank you for all your love and support this year here on my channel, all of my platforms. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon. Mwah! Um beijo!